Alright, here we go. Welcome to the combo cooking. Cut up the fins, cut the head of the fish off, and remove the gills. Now, place the fish head into water, add some more water. It's going to be a soup. Shut the lid and cook it. Remove the scales from the fish. Put the knife in the butt and slice it open like so that you can remove the guts. This is combo cooking, 2 dishes from 1 fish. Wash the fish. Now put it in the dish. We're going to need some potatoes. Now make incisions in the fish like so. Add olive oil. Now bathe the fish in the olive oil so it gets everywhere. Now, after you wash the potatoes, cut them into veggies like this. Spice it up with the shellfish spice. Rub it in everywhere so it gets into the incisions for extra flavor. Now, spice up the soup also with the spice. This is garlic, diced garlic spice, dried garlic. Place potatoes and spice them up with the potato spice also, and with some garlic. It's going to be so delicious. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and place the fish in there. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes. After that, we will turn off the heat and let it sit there for 10 more minutes. Potatoes into cubes and into the soup. Now, onions and carrots. This is secret ingredient. It's a Maggi cube into the soup. Cut the onions in small pieces with the carrots into the cubes and add them to the boiling soup. Cook for 30 minutes. Add some salt and pepper. Then turn off the heat in the soup also. Wow, look at that. So it's been 40 minutes with the 30 minutes and then without the heat. Look at this fish. So yummy. You see, it's not overcooked at all. Potatoes are nice. Look at that, yummy. Let's try it. Oh my god, so good. Now, let's serve the soup with the fish head and the broth. Amazing. Subscribe, my friend.